Yes, good morning to all of you. Today we are just going to start our exercise 3.2. Firstly, we do the basic one. This topic has the graphical representation, the graphical solution of the pair of linear equation. Okay. The graphical solution we have to find in exercise 3.2, but firstly we have to solve. What we have done already, that you just make the graph and then you are checking that either the lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. But in this exercise you have to check only by comparing the coefficient. Okay, you can check on comparing the coefficient actually. I am just taking a pair here. The x minus 2y plus 7 equal to 0, and the second is 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0. Second type is where the x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, and then 2x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Third one where the x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, and the 2x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. Here are the three type of pair of equation here. How you will check there? Firstly, you have to find out the value of a1, a2, b1, b2, a1 by a2, b1 by b2. What is the condition? This is the condition actually which you have to check. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then you can say that the algebraically and graphically and about the system. Algebraically what the solution are possible, graphically in this case you can say that the lines are intersecting lines. After comparing these coefficients you can say that the lines are intersecting, they have unique solution, or we can say that the one solution. Okay, if in this case, this is the example of the where the x1 a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. If all are the equal, then you can say that they are the lines are coincident line. Okay, coincident lines are there, and how many solutions are there? Infinite many solution. Infinitely many solution are there. Okay, this is the pair of linear equation. This is the example of this type of condition where the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Then you can say that they are the parallel lines and no solution. And what we can say about the system? If a pair of a linear equation have at least one solution, if there is at least one solution, then we can say the system are consistent. If the pair doesn't have at least not even a single solution, then we can say the system are inconsistent. Here you can easily check there is at least one solution is possible, so the system is consistent. And this is the more than one solution, so the system is also consistent. But the last condition where the no solution is there, not even a single solution is there, then we can say that the system is inconsistent. Okay, now I am just going to take the value of a1 and a2. Value of a1 is 1, value of a2 is 2. Then you can see that 1 by 2 is there. Value of a1 is 1 and value of a2 is 2. Okay, value of b1 is minus 2. Value of b2 is minus 1. Either they are equal? No. So there is no need to compare with C1 and C2. If first two ratios are not equal, then there is no need to compare with C1 and C2. Since as you can see that in this condition A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then we can say that this system has a unique solution having intersecting line and coincident. If someone asks about their algebraically tell the solution, you can say that they have a unique solution. If someone asks about the graphically solution, then you can say the lines are intersecting. If someone asks about the system, which kind of system this pair of linear equation can have, then you can say that they have the consistent system. In the same way, come to the second one, where the value of A1 is 1, value of A2 is 2, 1 by 2, value of B1 is minus 2, value of B2 is minus 4. Here you can see that they both are equal. So we need to compare with C1 and C2. You check here, the value of C1 is 8 and C2 is C1 is 4 and C2 is 8, that is also 1 by 2. Now you can see that all three are equal. All the ratios of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 is equal. So you can say that about their algebraic solution, that they have infinite many solutions. The lines are coincident line, they are lying on each other, and the system is consistent. Okay, in this case you can easily observe the value of A1 by A2. The ratio of A1 by A2 is 1 by 2. The ratio of B1 by B2 is minus 2 by minus 4, and the ratio of C1 by C2 is 4 by 9. These two are equal, but they are not equal, that is 1 by 2. So you can say that this system, this pair of linear equation has no solution. They should be parallel lines, and the system is inconsistent. This only on the basis of this comparing of these coefficients you can tell anything about this solution of this pair of linear equation. Okay, you have to try these type of question. I am just taking 1 and 2, 3 example here. You can check by yourself. Okay, thank you.